I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your Robinhood account. First, ensure your account balance is completely zero. You must sell all your stocks, options, and any cryptocurrency holdings. Then, transfer any remaining cash out of your Robinhood account to an external bank account. This crucial step prepares your account for the closure process, making it smooth and straightforward. Once your account balance is zero, you can initiate the closure. Open the Robinhood app and tap the account icon, often represented by a person. From there, find and select Deactivate Account or a similar option. The app will guide you through the necessary steps to formally submit your account closure request. After submitting your request, Robinhood will send an email to confirm they received it. The account closure process typically takes several business days to complete. It's important to monitor your email for a final confirmation that your account has been successfully closed. This ensures the process is finalized as intended. Even after closing your account, Robinhood will provide necessary tax documents, such as Form 1099, if you had taxable events. It's wise to download your transaction history for your personal records before deletion. Remember, if you decide to use Robinhood again in the future, you will need to go through a new account application process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.